Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to air fry some chicken wings. So I'm going to wash them and cut the tips off, and I'll show you when I season them. Okay, just washed the wings and cut off the wing tips. So now I'm going to season them. Start with my yellow mustard. You don't have to buy the expensive mustard. Get the cheapest mustard you can find, because you're not going to taste it. It's just like a binder, and it acts like another layer of flavor. I'm using granulated garlic. Okay, why is this unscrewed? Walter Ford. Yeah, I'm looking at you.
Can't help it.
Granulated onion. No salt in any of these. Sazon. Smoked paprika. Need to buy some more of this. And the smoked paprika actually has flavor to it, as opposed to the regular paprika. Pepper. And this has salt in it. The lime pepper. Okay, don't want to come out. So the seasoning. I'm gonna smush it. And I did towel block these wings after I washed them. And yes, I washed my chicken. I washed everything except hamburger. I've seen some people wash the ground meat. I wouldn't do it. I want some breaded wings. Let me get my stuff. Okay, I'm using the house Autry seasoned chicken flour in my breader shaker bowl. I decided to make some breaded wings after all, because I love them. And this is not the spicy mix. Don't overload the basket. Okay, I just shook this up. They're nicely breaded. I'm using my EdenPeer air fryer. There's this giant, you don't see the air fryer basket? This is as large as that Typhoid Dome, but at a much cheaper price. I've been cooking everything on here without the thing they gave me. You know what? They gave me a regular grill plate, so I'm going to use a grill plate from another air fryer to put this chicken on. And I'm going to see what cooks the best. Putting it directly on the bottom of here or on a grill plate. like the other air fryers. Okay. Sorry for making all that noise. Okay, this could shake up some more. Oh, I just made noise again. Okay, this is how the wings look. I'm going to spray them with some olive oil. Okay. Pull this out from the wall. Turn it on. So where's the wings? Right there. Press menu. Okay, that's what I want. It says wings, 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Okay, that sounds about right. And the lights up for a couple seconds and go off, and then it'll light up again in a few more seconds. So put this spray up, and I will be back. Okay, it's just beeped. Cooked for the whole 25 minutes at 390 degrees. Take this off. That's where the wings look. These are the ones that are lifted up on that what do you call it, grill plate thing. And these on the side are the ones that are just laying on the bottom of the air fryer. See how different this looks. Okay. And this is laying on the bottom of this thing. It's brown, more brown. Okay, the ones that are lifted up a little bit seem to be more crispy. But these are crispy too. Alright. These are my air fryer breaded wings with a, what you call it, grill plate on this side, and the wings are just laying on the flat surface around right there. So this is the EdenPeer unique air fryer. They have another one that has steam. You can put water in it. So this is the unique Air fry with the big old fry basket. Okay, I'm gonna eat a piece of chicken. I didn't flip the wings at all. Okay. Piping hot. Crispy. The house Autry breading is good. It's not spicy at all. It's seasoned. It's well seasoned. And it's good. Real seasoned without being too salty. Plus I seasoned the meat itself. This is good. So I'll be putting it on the wing setting from now on. First time cooking wings in this. Put it on the pizza setting. It turned out good too, but I'll just put it on the wing setting. It cooked for at a lower temperature for longer. So, it was good. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bon appetit. Bye.